Alexa, how do you make a steak?
Okay, for steak,
Nah.
I recommend grilled flake
Alexa,
steak with
stop.
rosemary.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a steak in this episode. We have olive oil on there, some garlic powder, and then Montreal Steak Seasoning. First thing we gotta do is turn on the gas. Crank that bad boy up right there. Open this here and turn this on. There we go. Probably right there. Go for 2 burners. There you go. Fuego. Putting the steaks on. Having the girlfriend cook it up right now. And then I'm learning how to use an iPhone. So I'm going to put a timer on here for 5 minutes. And start that bad boy right here. I'm going to shut this. So we cook these for 5 minutes on one side, and then we'll flip them and do 3 on the other. Little plot twist, we decided to add corn also. So next time I open this thing, you'll see corn on the cob, obviously. So it's been 5 minutes, so we're gonna flip them. And as she flips them, I'm gonna drop this thing down to 3 minutes. Hold on, buddy. And then I'm gonna start this up in a second. As soon as she's done flipping all those. And then so we did 5 minutes on the first side, and now we'll do 3 minutes on this side. All right, hold on, son. And now I'll start this thing right here. 3 minutes is up on this side. You can see the one on the very end right there. Didn't get cooked quite as well. It's on the end, so that does happen sometimes. So we're just flipping them at this point, and we'll cook that one a little more, obviously. Perfect. Turn the burners off, and then hold on. Then I'll go down here. Turn this bad boy off. Commentary by my son. There we go. Lending a helping hand. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay. Bonus footage. We have corn with mayonnaise on it, and lime, and butter. Let us see what we have here. Take a bite. Look at that. That's some good grilling. Gonna eat this, and then I'll do a recap. Hey Alexa, how should I wrap up this video?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
What? Hey Alexa, how should I wrap up this video?
Here's something I found on the web. According to chowhound.com.
Alexa, stop.
Cover with plastic.
Just stop. Alright. So you can see around this house, I actually do not get to cook much anymore. I can cook, I just do not get to. So I wanted to make a video showing how to grill a steak, because there's a lot of people that love to eat steak that just don't know how to make a steak. So a quick recap is we added olive oil and whatever seasonings you want, like pepper. Keep it simple. Fire up the grill, let it heat up, and then throw the steaks on for 5 minutes on one side, flip them, do 3 minutes on the other, add whatever you want. If you want butter, like corn, if you want corn, add corn on the cob. I'm tired, it's late, I want to go to sleep. But I had to let the family kind of go do their thing so I could wrap up here, because as you can see, it's always like a full house here all the time. So just flip it after 5 minutes, cook it for 3 minutes, add whatever else you want to the grill, and then just enjoy it. So that was a quick, brief way to cook a steak. There we go. And now I think I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm full of steak. It's great, but I'm full. Then we had ice cream afterwards, so I don't know, whatever. It is what it is.